Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Nissan Altima's Bluetooth. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked. Then, grab your phone and make sure its Bluetooth is turned on and discoverable. Next, navigate to the Settings menu on your Altima's infotainment display. This initial setup ensures a smooth and secure pairing process for your device, getting you ready for hands-free communication and audio. Once in the settings, select the Bluetooth option. You'll then want to choose Add New Device to initiate the pairing sequence. Now, on your phone, scan for available devices. You should see an option like My Car or Nissan Altima appear in your phone's Bluetooth list. Tap on that option to proceed with connecting your device to the vehicle's system. Your Altima's display might show a PIN. If so, enter this same PIN on your phone when prompted to confirm the connection. After entering the PIN, confirm the pairing request on both your phone and the car's screen. Once successfully paired, you can test the connection by playing some audio from your phone or making a quick hands-free call to ensure everything is working perfectly. If you encounter any issues, try restarting both your phone and the Altima's infotainment system. Sometimes, simply turning them off and on again can resolve minor glitches. Also, consider deleting any old or unused pairings from your car's Bluetooth memory to free up device slots. For more great tips and resources, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, make sure to check the description below for the link and other deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.